Hey there, awesome scientists, and welcome back to LittleLabs. I am so glad you're here today because we are putting on our detective hats to solve a giant mystery, and it's happening right above our heads. All right, let's get right to it. Have you ever, just looked up at the big, beautiful sky and thought, wait a minute, why is it blue? Like, why not green? Or orange? Or even polka dotted? It's a fantastic question, and today, we're the detectives who are going to find the answer. Okay, so to solve this whole thing, you really only need to know two secret, super important words. You ready? Get ready to remember them. The secret is sky scatter. Kind of sounds cool, right? Let's figure out what that even means. Okay, first things first. Every good detective needs evidence, right? And our very first piece of evidence is sunlight. Yep, we've got to investigate the light that's coming all the way from the sun. So when you look at sunlight, it just looks, well, white, right? Or maybe kind of yellow. But guess what? That's a disguise. Seriously, sunlight is actually hiding a whole secret team of awesome colors all mushed together. And look, here's the whole team. It's basically a rainbow hiding in plain sight. You've got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. All of these colors are traveling together in every single little sunbeam. How cool is that? All right, clue number 2. Let's look at the air all around us. I know, it looks like there's nothing there. But that's another secret. The air is actually full of invisible stuff. Yeah. Even though you can't see them, the air is packed with billions and billions of teeny tiny, totally invisible little bits called molecules. They're so small, you'd need a crazy powerful microscope just to get a little tiny peek. Okay, detectives, let's review. We have our two big clues, the rainbow team inside sunlight and the zillions of tiny molecules in the air. So, what do you think happens when they finally meet? It's time for the great sky scatter. I want you to imagine that the air is just one giant pinball machine. All those teeny tiny air molecules, they're like the bouncy bumpers and flippers. And the sunlight? That's the silver ball, just flying right through the game. Bing, bong, ping. Now, here's the really important part. These little pinballs in the air, they are experts at hitting one color more than any other, and that color is blue. They scatter that blue light like crazy, bouncing it in every single direction. But the red light? Nah, it's like a super fast bonus ball that just zips right on by. So, with all that blue light bouncing absolutely everywhere, up, down, left, right, all over the place, the entire sky just fills up with that awesome blue color. And that is what we see when we look up. Case closed. Or is it? A really good detective never stops asking questions. If you think back to our rainbow team, violet light actually scatters even more than blue light does. So, wait a second. Why isn't the sky violet? Well, there are actually two pretty simple reasons. First, the sun doesn't send out a whole lot of violet light to begin with. And second, our eyes, they're just not that great at seeing violet. They are way better at seeing blue. So, blue wins the day. Okay, science detectives, hold on. Don't put those magnifying glasses away just yet, because I've got another mystery for you. If the sky is blue all day, why do sunsets turn all fiery red and orange? It all comes down to the trip the sunlight has to take. See, at sunset, the sun is really low in the sky. That means its light has to travel through way more air to get to you. It's kind of like taking the super long scenic route home from school. And on that super-duper long journey through all of those air pinballs, pretty much all of the blue light gets scattered away before it can reach you. The only colors tough enough to make it all the way to your eyes are the long-distance champs, red and orange. And that's what we see. And just like that, you did it. You solved the mystery of the blue sky and the red sunset. That is amazing work. For your incredible detective skills, I am officially making you a sky scientist. And, every great scientist needs a mission. So here it is. With the grown-ups' help, you can make your very own blue sky and sunset in a glass. The tiny little bits of milk in the water act just like those molecules in the air, scattering the light. You can actually see the science happening right in front of your eyes. How cool is that? Great job, scientist. You totally cracked the case. You now know the awesome science secret behind our beautiful blue sky and those incredible red sunsets. You are officially a certified sky scientist. That's a big deal. Hey, if you had fun being a science detective with us today, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Little Labs so you don't miss our next big adventure. And for your final mission, what big science mystery should we solve next time? Let us know down in the comments below. See you next time, scientists!